Cape Verde is being deal with the UK market for a long time. We basically have our client comes to Sunny Beach, but actually we are now diversified the product for other segments like water sport, ecotourism, and any cultural events we can have to calendar to make people interested to Cape Verde will be promoting in the next couple years come. The connection is really good in the perspective of TUI operator, but now we want to have our company, to fly from London to Cabo Verde, maybe at the beginning of next year. We try to have the operation put on the place this year, but at least we know next year the first semester will be flight from London to Sile Island and maybe Praia as well. Cape Verde is a place to live when the winter is high in Europe, and then you have to find a home country with a beautiful people who are willing to have you as a guest, and then it's as far as we know is a fine destination for have peace and tranquility as you need to rest and have new experiences outside Europe.